Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator and give you a few tips that's going to help you save some time and money in the long run. So what we're doing here today is we're ditching for some rotors that we've got flagged out. So those red flags are where our head placement's going to be. And what we did is, you can tell that I'm not right on the edge of the sidewalk. I'm actually about a foot to foot and a half over. Now this is okay when you've got rotors that are spraying, they're bigger heads, they're spraying a lot farther than just a small head. And so these are actually spaced out 40 feet apart, and the nozzle we're going to put in that rotor is going to spray about 45 feet. And so it's okay, don't be afraid to actually bring your ditch over, because you can adjust these heads, and when you adjust that, if that head is over, it's going to help you on your overspray and your runoff that's going to go on your sidewalk, especially if it's on a windy day and it happens to water. And so a good tip is go ahead and bring that ditch over and place those heads more out into the yard and not right on the edge of that sidewalk. It's going to help you when you're adjusting, and it's going to really eliminate a lot of the runoff you're going to have, which is something we always want to keep in mind when we're doing irrigation and installing this kind of stuff.